The Union Budget of India is represented under which article of Constitution? The correct answer is Article 112. Who presents the Union Budget in Parliament? The correct answer is Finance Minister. The Union Budget 2026 was presented in which month? The correct answer is February. Union Budget is also known as the correct answer is Annual Financial Statement. Which tax is the largest source of revenue for Government of India? The correct answer is GST. Union Budget is represented in which house first? The correct answer is Lok Sabha. Which ministry prepares the Union Budget? The correct answer is Ministry of Finance. Union Budget is prepared for a period of The correct answer is 1 year. Union Budget is prepared for a period of The correct answer is 1 year. Which sector usually receives special focus in the Union Budget? The correct answer is all of the above. Budget session of Parliament generally starts in The correct answer is February. Who gave final approval to the Union Budget? The correct answer is Parliament. Union Budget belongs to which category of bills? The correct answer is money bill. Union Budget affects which of the following? The correct answer is all of the above. Union Budget reflects the government's The correct answer is all of the above. Which tax is directly paid by individuals? The correct answer is income tax. Union Budget is prepared on which accounting basis? The correct answer is cash basis. Which of the following is a direct tax? The correct answer is corporate tax. Union budget is valid after approval by. The correct answer is both houses and president. Which tax is shared between center and states? The correct answer is GST. Which tax replaced multiple indirect taxes in India? The correct answer is GST. Union budget mainly reflects government's. The correct answer is all of the above. Which bill allows government to collect taxes? The correct answer is finance bill. Which organization audits government expenditure? The correct answer is CAG of India. Which part of the budget shows loan and borrowing? The correct answer is capital budget. Union Budget 2026 aims mainly at. The correct answer is all of the above. Union Budget directly impacts which area? The correct answer is all of the above. Union budget is represented how many times in a year? The correct answer is once. Which body prepares the economic survey data? The correct answer is Department of Economic Affairs. Which tax is imposed on company profits? The correct answer is corporate tax. Which receipt does not create liability? The correct answer is tax revenue. Which authority controls issue of currency notes? The correct answer is RBI. Union budget shows details of. The correct answer is income and expenditure. Union budget mainly focuses on which country? The correct answer is India. Budget helps the government to plan. The correct answer is spending and saving. Union budget affects. The correct answer is all citizens. GST is an example of which tax? The correct answer is indirect tax. Which sector usually gets support in budget? The correct answer is all of the above. Which color is the budget document folder usually? The correct answer is red. Budget decisions are made for the welfare of. The correct answer is citizens of India. Union budget is important because it affects. The correct answer is all of the above. Budget shows government plans for. The correct answer is next financial year. Who presents the Union budget speech? The correct answer is Finance Minister. Union budget tells how the government will. The correct answer is all of the above.